Alright, so what is NotebookLM in plain English? Forget the tech jargon for a sec. Picture this. You've got a bunch of PDF files, Google Docs, or even just text copied from the web. You upload them to NotebookLM. Now, here's the magic. NotebookLM reads all of your documents, understands the content, and then becomes your personal AI expert on your information. It's not browse the internet, it's focused only on the sources you provide. So, when you ask it a question, it answers based directly on your uploaded material. No more sifting through pages and pages. It's like having a super smart index and a brilliant summarizer for all your stuff, instantly accessible. It's your personal knowledge base powered by AI. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty because NotebookLM is packed with features that are genuinely mind-blowing. This is where it gets spicy. Deep conversation is like having a dialogue with your documents. Imagine you're reading a dense historical text. You might have questions as you go. With deep conversation, you can ask NotebookLM anything about your source material and it will respond intelligently, referencing specific parts of your documents. Even better, you can jump in during the conversation. Let's say NotebookLM explains a concept and you want it to elaborate on a specific sentence it just used. You can highlight that sentence and ask for more details. It's incredibly interactive and ensures you're truly grasping the information, not just passively reading. This isn't just Q&A, it's an active learning session. Next up, the mind map feature. If you're a visual learner, this is a huge win. NotebookLM can take your documents and generate a visual mind map, showing the key concepts and their relationships. Think about brainstorming a project or trying to understand a complex topic with many interconnected ideas. A mind map helps you see the bigger picture, identify connections you might have missed, and organize your thoughts visually. It's fantastic for outlining, ideation, and getting that bird's eye view. Ever needed to quickly get up to speed on a new topic or summarize a massive report for your boss? Enter the briefing document. This feature is exactly what it sounds like. You tell NotebookLM what kind of briefing you need, maybe a summary for a non-technical audience, or a detailed overview for experts, and it will generate a concise, well-structured document based on your sources. It's perfect for executive summaries, quick reports, or just getting a handle on a lot of information without reading every single word. This saves you an ungodly amount of time. This is a classic, but NotebookLM takes it to the next level. The summary feature allows you to get a quick, accurate summary of any of your uploaded documents. But here's the kicker. Because it understands the context of all your linked documents, its summaries are incredibly nuanced and relevant. You can get high-level summaries or more detailed ones depending on your needs. No more reading through 50-page reports when you just need the bullet points. It's efficient, precise, and always rooted in your original content. For historical events, project plans, or anything with a chronological element, the timeline feature is gold. NotebookLM can extract dates, events, and sequences from your documents and present them in a clear, interactive timeline. This is incredibly powerful for understanding sequences of events, tracking progress, or even just visualizing a historical narrative. Last but certainly not least, the FAQ feature. This is brilliant for anyone creating educational content, training materials, or even just trying to solidify their own understanding. NotebookLM can analyze your documents and automatically generate a list of frequently asked questions along with their answers, all sourced directly from your materials. This is a huge time saver for content creators, but it's also amazing for students or researchers who want to test their knowledge or identify key areas they need to focus on. It's like having a personalized quizmaster for your documents. So there you have it, folks. NotebookLM is a huge step forward in how we interact with information. It's not just about getting answers. It's about deep engagement, organization, and transforming your raw data into actionable knowledge. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech insights.